For the past couple years, I have been testing all sorts of hair care systems that have been gifted to me. And over the past couple years, all I really wanted to try is Olaplex. So after this last round of testing a hair care system, I committed. I went and got the system I've always wanted, and I'm already so impressed. This is the Olaplex No.4 and No.5, which are perfect for my fine, brittle hair that's prone to breakage, and I'm already loving this so much. Let's start with the shampoo. This shampoo is sulfate-free, really nice and lightweight. It's not weighing my hair down at all. And it really is designed to clean while strengthening. So it's going to reduce breakage, strengthen my hair over time, and nourish and moisturize. And I gotta tell you, this is so nice. Now, I double cleansed with it the first time, and when I put it in at first, it didn't suds up very much. And then the second time, it sudsed so much. It's been a long time since I've used a shampoo that sudsed as much as this did, but it felt wonderful. It's almost like a moisturizing suds, really, really nice. More of a standard floral shampoo smell, not too strong, just kind of like that salon hair care smell. Very specific. You'll know it when you smell it. It goes away quickly, really quite nice. And when I cleansed with this, not only did it feel really nice, but once I got out of the shower, my hair felt lightweight without being frizzy, really lovely. And of course, I followed it up with the No.5 conditioner. And this is a bond building conditioner. That's what Olaplex is all about, is their proprietary molecule that actually builds the bonds from the inside out on your hair. So it's strengthening, rebuilding, and hydrating. And once I did this full set, my hair was really, really happy on the other side, wonderfully moisturized without being weighed down. It doesn't feel like anything's in it. It almost feels clarified and very easy to brush through, style everything I needed. And on top of that, this set came with the Olaplex No.7. I love hair oils, specifically because I go multiple days between washing my hair just so I can keep as much natural hair oil as I can at the roots, but I find that I've always had a hard time getting my natural hair oils all the way down to the tips. So I specifically love this hair oil on the days I'm not washing my hair to keep my tips of my hair hydrated and moisturized. But that's not all this does. This is a fabulous heat protectant, and you can put it in throughout all of your hair to really strengthen and nourish your hair from the roots to the tips. And while this seems super tiny, one of the key pieces with this is that a little bit of this goes a really long way. I've only been doing a drop or two when I use it because I don't actually need much, and it just goes through beautifully. It gets my hair silky shiny, and it feels so, so nice. It has a very light smell, and it just feels wonderful. So whether I'm just putting it on during the day to tame any flyaways, or right when I get out of the shower as a heat protectant before I dry or do anything else to my hair, or before I go to bed to add that nourishment while I sleep, this is a wonderful oil. So I think the best way to think about Olaplex is the entire focus of Olaplex's line is to build bonds first, to strengthen the bonds of your hair, and then maintain afterwards. So it's really, really great for anyone who color treats their hair, has damaged their hair in any way. Maybe you use too much heat, too many mechanical tools, or you just have fine, brittle hair that's prone to breakage. This is one incredible hair care system. I am so excited. I am right at the beginning of my journey. I've only used it a couple times, but I have been looking at the reviews and wanting this for a very long time. I have very high expectations, and I don't think Olaplex is going to let me down. I will be using this moving forward, and I will report back if there are any obvious pros or cons that I've missed, but I really think Olaplex is a fantastic option for the fine-haired people like me.